All right, so something you can be asked to calculate a lot with cuboids with 3D shapes like this is the total surface area. Okay, so the total surface area of a shape is the area of all its faces added together. Okay, so looking at this 3D shape here, all right, it'd be side 1, side 2, side 3, so the area of the three of those added together, but also the three sides that we can't see. So the one on the bottom, the one out here on the right, and the one at the back we can't see. So if you're asked to get the total surface area, it is the area of all 6 faces added together. Okay, same over here. Okay, it would be the area of 1 and 2 and 3 added together, but also the one at the back, the one over there on the left, and the one at the bottom. All right, we can be asked to just do it from a 3D shape. Okay, or what they often will do is they will pair it with a question on nets, because once you've drawn the net, you can see all 6 sides. All right, and then they'll ask you to get the total surface area from that. All right. So if I'm asked to get the total surface area of this shape over here, as I said, it's the area of all 6 faces added together. So what I will do is I will get the area of number 1 here, okay, what I've called face 1. And the area of this is going to be its length by its width. So it is 4 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Okay, we can see it out here, 4 by 8. So that's 4 centimeters, that's 8 centimeters. So 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. All right. 2 here is going to be 3 by 8. And that's 24. Side 3 down here is 3 by 4. It's one of these ones here. That's equal to 12. All right. What you can do to get the other ones is you can get them all separately and then add them together. That's what I'll do first, and then I'll kind of show you another way I could have done it. So let's say I'll call this side 4, I'll call this side 5, and I'll call this side 6. All right, so what's the dimensions of side 4? It's also 3 by 8. And that's equal to 24. Side 5 over here is 4 by 8. And that's 32. And side 6 here is another one that is 3 by 4. And that's 12. And then just add those 6 together. So 32 plus 24 plus 12 plus 24 plus 32 plus 12 is equal to 136. Original was in centimeters. This is area, so it will be centimeters squared. Okay, and that's you done. All right. Just in red, maybe just to kind of finish this off slightly differently. So that's 136 centimeters. That's the total surface area. So all 6 areas added together. Okay, and that's you done. As I said, just a slightly different way of doing it. Once you've done 1, 2, and 3, and you've got these answers here, the sides in these things occur in pairs. Like the side opposite 1 has to be the exact same side as 1. All right, has to be the same size as it. So the area of it is going to be the same. All right. So if it's 32, the other one is going to be 32 as well. So you can just add on another 32 or else multiply it by 2 because there's 2 identical ones that size. So let's say you could go plus 32 because you know there's another one that's 32. So that's 64. As I said, number 2, you know the one opposite that over here is the same size as it. So it has to be 24 as well. So add another 24 on, or else multiply it by 2 and you get 48. 3 here, if that's 12, the one opposite it must be 12 as well. So add another 12 on, or else multiply it by 2 because there's 2 identical ones. Either one will get you the same answer. All right, so that's kind of 3 numbers to add together. And how I do 64 plus 48 plus 24, what answer do I get? 136 centimeters squared. So I got the same answer, just doing it a slightly different way. All right. So if you want You can get the area of all 6 just kind of looking at them together and then add all 6 together, or get the area of the 3 that you can see and then double each of them, because there must be 3 identical sides to each of them together. Okay, so either do it this way and get the 136, do it this way and get the 136, whichever one you find easier. All right, I'll do it over here as well then. So total surface area for this shape here. Okay, so first I was asked to draw the net, and let's use that to get the total surface area. So side 1 is this one here, and it is 3 by 6, which is 18. Side 2 then is also 3 by 6. Okay, so because you've got the square bottom here, the 3 kind of happens again, and you end up with the same size over on the side. So 3 by 6 is 18. And then side 3 up the top here is 3 by 3. Which is 9. All right, what you can do now is double each of these, because there's going to be an identical side to this at the back, there's going to be an identical side to this on the left, there's going to be an identical side to this on the bottom. So double each of these and add those numbers together. Or you could add the 3 of these together and double it, will get you the same effect. All right, so double each of these and add them together, that will get you the answer. All right, I'll just continue on doing it the same way I did this one first over here. So let's say side 4, 5, and 6. So I'll call this 4, I'll call this 5, and I'll call this 6. It doesn't matter which, if you call this 4, this 5, 4, 5, and 6, it wouldn't matter. Just once you get the size right. So 4 is 6 by 3, which is 18. 5 is 3 by 3, which is another 9. And 6 is 3 by 6. Which is 18. All right, and if you add those numbers together, so 18 plus 18 plus 9 plus 18 plus 9 plus 18 is 90, and its surface area, so centimeters squared. All right, so that is the surface area of all 6 sides of the shape. All right, so the 3 that you can see from the 3D model, and the 3 on the left, the bottom, and the back that are hidden, that you can see when you actually draw the net of the shape. So the net enables you to see all of the sides of a 3D shape because you flattened it out. Okay, so that's what you're doing if you're asked to get the total surface area of a cuboid like this. All right.